Hello and welcome to Cake. Today I'm making one of my all-time favorite Persian dishes. This is an herb omelette called KooKoo Sabzi. If you're tired of scrambled eggs but want to keep a low-carb diet that's rich in nutrients and flavor, this is the perfect dish for you. For this recipe, I used 220 grams of parsley, 250 grams of chives, 10 grams of cilantro, 20 grams of fresh dill, 6 eggs, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. If you're new to my channel Cake and you enjoy this type of content, then I hope you subscribe at the end of this video. Now let's start with this recipe. I've washed and dried all of the herbs and placed them in a blender. I can't fit everything into the blender at once, so I do this in 3 rounds. Once all the herbs are chopped up, I add the 6 eggs and the spices to this. With a spoon, I combine the ingredients well until I start to see some small bubbles forming. The bubbles are going to be an indication that this is going to get some volume when it's cooking. I've prepared a skillet. It's set on high heat right now, and I've added 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil to it. I pour my omelette ingredients into this and flatten it out. Place the lid on top and then let it cook for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, one side is going to be nice and golden brown, and it's going to have absorbed its shape, so I can cut it into 6 slices and flip the slices over and let the other side cook for another 12 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I have the perfect KooKoo Sabzi. I know it sounds a little odd to some, but I like to enjoy this with just a little bit of honey because the honey brings out the flavor of the herbs just a little bit more, and of course it adds a nice touch of sweetness. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Let me know if you do, and let me know what you think of it. If you enjoy this type of content, I hope you subscribe for more delicious recipes and creative ideas. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.